The 2011 Mitsubishi Outlander SE, powered by a 4-cylinder engine with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Mitsubishi features power windows, keyless entry, and air conditioning. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include a CD player, leather seats, and rain-sensing wipers. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.